Hi guys, this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we are here at Canlaon City. So we get this rice shell for the bedding of our chicken there, so that the place will not smell so bad. So we're gonna put some rice shell for the bedding. So we're gonna put this on the ground where they stay all the time. And look at this, it's really many. So my friend Bashun and Willie is here, and we're gonna get many. So we have some sacks there at the back, so we're gonna get many as we can, because for one sack we only paid for 3 pesos. It's so cheap. So this place here where the warehouse for the rice, where they gonna sell the rice, and this is where we bought our rice also last Christmas party, when we give some rice. So this is our house for the rice, right? And this is where they grind, they take out the shell.
Process.
Yeah, this is where their processing place of the rice. The farmers bring their rice here, and they're the one who clean here, right, baby? So right now, oh my god, it's a lot of rice shell here at the back. You just can't imagine how many it is there at the back. So this is what we use, so that the place where we put the chicken not smells bad. Especially there's a lot of chicken poo there, so this is to prevent the smell, the odor. So this big sack here, only 3 pesos for this big sack. So lots. So right now they are still processing the, look at that at the back. They have a lot of rice here, this warehouse, and also the rice here is very affordable, cheap, very cheap. But this time the rice increased a little bit more than last couple years ago, because of things is getting more expensive now here, so they increased the price for the rice. But this is much cheaper compared to the market, because this you buy direct to the warehouse. So I'm gonna try to help them. It's so windy here also, so I'm gonna try to help them. I'm gonna put my camera here. Mabutang ra guna kong camera diri day. Ay nagtapon diri. Yaron. Ang ayan ay ko tripod di ay. I'm gonna get my tripod. Can you get my tripod, please? So see you guys in a few minutes. So I'm gonna try to put my tripod. Thank you. So my tripod is really hard to stand because so windy. So this is where the rice shell is. Lots, guys. We've been getting a lots now. We have a lots of sacks here. So all over there is the rice shell that is been collected there, where they process the rice. It's a lot. It looks like a mountain. It's over there on the top. My salad. Ha? Malumulupad. We brought some shovel. Got that. So many. So over here, there's here more at the back. Oh, there's a lot there in the other side too. There. Napare dito day oh. Oh, dagan ka dito pikas. There. No, there's a lot there at the back. But it's a different owner. So many. This is really good thing that it's near from our place, and it's easy for us to drive here to get some. If we need more, we can just go back here, and it's not far from our place. Oh, there's a lot there. Chicken loves to play this. They really love to play this rice shell, especially the chicks. It's raining. It's so windy here. Another hot day in the Philippines. So we will see you guys later. I'm gonna try to help them, so stay tuned. So this is all what we've got. 9 big sack, and the small one is over here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 bags for small one. So we'll be loading soon in our van. And look at the, we need to go back here to get more, but we have a lot here. Look at that, it's a big sacks here. So Willie is trying to tie it so that it won't get waste. Oh, we have more. So I think 4, 5, 6, 16 small bags of rice shells and 9 big bag. So we have a lot. Been trying to help them, and right now it's only 2 sack left that we need to tie. So I bought these big sacks. They're in the market for 10 pesos each. Ang sako kay mahal pa sa kay 3 man ang kuan. So the sacks is more expensive than the rice shell, because the rice shell costs 3 pesos. Then the sacks cost 10 pesos for 1 piece. It's more expensive. Okay. That's the way it is. Oh, it's a lot there. So we're gonna try to stop there in Pizarro after here. I'm gonna eat some lunch. I'm gonna treat them for lunch. So my friend Bastion, we hired here in our chicken, in the G&B Enterprise, in our chicken farm, to help us feed the chicken and also clean, because I can't do back and forth house and they're in the farm. So we just let her help us, especially that I'm alone there in the house. My mama and my sister is not there. Then my father sometimes is not been in the mood, and he's been also cleaning there outside. So we really need an extra help. So right now we're almost done here. They cut the sugar cane to the side here, as you can see. It's been so dry. So we're almost finished. Kira ka, day?
City kasama sa
Ang gagmay, no? 17 bags of the small one. And the big one is 9 bags. And look at that, we're loaded, guys. So 17 sacks. So there's 6 more there in the top. And we are here at Pizzaro in Canlaon. We're eating some lunch here. So my husband ordered some pizza, and Basyon and Willie, I ordered them some pork chop and sisig, pork sisig, because I know that they are hungry. So this is close by to that rice warehouse where we get the rice shells. So look at the view, it's so nice. So right now we're waiting for our foods. So I just paid 60 pesos for all of that rice shells we carry. That's so cheap. Almost $1, $1, I think it's not, almost $2. So cheap. So they have some rice field, as you can see, there's rice field there. Still waiting for our foods. It's already 3 in the afternoon. Look at the, you can see the volcano here because it's covered with clouds. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching my videos and for the love and support. And thank you so much for all the nice comments. So we will see you guys in my next video. So God bless us all.